Managing business finances can feel overwhelming for beginners, but it doesn't have to be. Here's a simple guide to get started. First up, separating personal and business finances is crucial. Mixing the two can lead to confusion and potential legal issues. Open a dedicated business bank account. This way, all income and expenses related to the business are tracked in one place. It's also a good idea to get a business credit card. This helps build business credit and keeps personal expenses out of the mix. Next, tracking cash flow is essential. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business. To keep tabs on it, start by creating a cash flow statement. This document outlines all incoming and outgoing funds over a specific period. Use accounting software or even a simple spreadsheet to record sales, expenses, and any other cash movements. Regularly reviewing this statement helps identify trends, allowing for better financial planning. Don't forget about budgeting. Set a monthly budget based on projected income and expenses. This helps in making informed decisions and prevents overspending. Stick to the budget as closely as possible, but be flexible. Adjust it as needed based on actual performance. Now, let's talk about managing taxes. Taxes can be tricky, but staying organized makes it easier. Keep all receipts and invoices related to business expenses. This documentation is vital for claiming deductions. Consider hiring a tax professional, especially during the first year. They can help navigate the complexities of business taxes and ensure compliance with local regulations. Another tip is to set aside money for taxes throughout the year. Many beginners make the mistake of waiting until tax season to figure out how much they owe. This can lead to surprises and financial strain. By saving a portion of income regularly, tax season becomes less daunting. Lastly, educate yourself. There are plenty of resources available, from online courses to books, that cover business finance basics. The more knowledge gained, the more confident decisions will be.